What's up, guys? This is your boy Mark with Mark's Kitchen, here with another episode.
Got a little mustache for the quarantine going, dude. What do you think?
Rise and shine, everybody. Mark's Kitchen's cooking breakfast. I don't usually eat breakfast, but when I do, it's biscuits and gravy. Yeah. This is the perfect meal to have when you wake up at noon, you're starving because you missed breakfast. And as always, we're gonna switch it up on them. And we're gonna use my little secret ingredient in biscuits and gravy.
Don't tell anyone. It's bacon. The secret ingredient's bacon.
Here's what you need to get started whipping up your homemade biscuits and gravy. We're gonna get the bacon rocking first and foremost.
All right, we're gonna check on this bacon. Look at that bacon.
Don't go and buy these Pillsbury rising dough biscuits from the store. These are so easy. It takes like 4 ingredients to make these. Literally all you need is milk, flour, butter, and sugar. Let's get it rocking and rolling. Gonna start by cubing 2 sticks of butter. Take your all-purpose flour and add 5 cups to a bowl. Add the cubed butter and mix it in with your hands. Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 5 teaspoons of baking powder, and we're gonna combine everything once again. Crack 2 large eggs into the bowl and add 1.5 cups of milk, and then continue to use our hands to mix this in until it becomes a dough ball. We got dough! Once we got a nice smooth dough ball, flatten it out, roll it to about 1/2 inch thick. Cut it into little circles using a cup or biscuit cutter, whatever you got. After they get transferred onto the baking sheet, we're gonna shoot them with the egg wash, throw them in the oven for 15 minutes at 400 degrees. These are gonna take about 15 minutes. That gives us the perfect amount of time to cook up the gravy in a cast iron skillet. We're gonna go full fat on this. Pork sausage, whole milk, butter. Woo! We're gonna start this off by browning some pork sausage. Once your sausage is almost brown, we're gonna add about 3 tablespoons of flour. We're gonna add 2 cups of whole milk. And we're gonna continuously stir until this thickens up. Once we're getting thick, we're gonna add that chopped bacon. Stir it in. Add 1 more cup of whole milk. So to finish this off, we're gonna add just a little bit more milk, about 1/2 cup. We're gonna add a splash of Worcestershire sauce. We're gonna add about 3/4 tablespoon black pepper, about 1/2 tablespoon of salt. Mix that in. We're gonna heat this until we got our desired consistency. We're gonna check on the biscuits.
Oh my Lanta.
Look at this. Now that's a biscuit. We are at perfect consistency right here. We're gonna take this off the heat, serve it over these fresh biscuits. Oh man, this is gonna be good. Just gonna scoop some of this gravy right on top of these bad boys. First bite. This is seasoned perfectly. The bacon provides another layer of salt on this thing. You just cannot beat this. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go eat the rest of these biscuits and gravy. Thank you for tuning in to another video. And you already know what they say. If you can do it in Mark's kitchen, you can do it in your kitchen. Peace.